Alright, so what's up, Quad Squad? Back at it with another one. And don't mind the beard. I gotta get this shaved, but I just don't have it shaved today. So, as you can tell, I do not grow a beard very well. It's all patchy and awful. So, hit me up in the comments if you want to make fun of it. But, as part of being a man, grow a beard, and sometimes you can't get trimming it. But anyways, I wanted to make this video today regardless of my beard. And Quad Squad is at it with a review of a printer. Yeah, so the Kobra S1. I don't have the combo, I just have the plain S1 right now. I do have the Kobra combo over there. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about my frustration and give you an input on, should you get this printer? Like, I've got a video coming out on like the best 3D printer for a beginner, because I know I've got a lot of people that are on my channel for the main reason why I started my channel, which was being in a wheelchair, having a disability and whatever. And as you know, I make wheelchair joysticks for wheelchairs. I make cup holders. Check out the newest design of my cup holder. How about that, boys and girls? Yeah, because I needed to make a bigger one. But anyways, I'll make a video about that. Drop it in the comments. I haven't posted the new cup holder yet, but if you buy the old one, you will get the new one. Anyways, with that, so if you print with PLA, you print with PETG, the real simple materials, great printer. Great printer. Honestly, I love it. I love the screen, so it's way better than the P1P. I love how it's all easily accessible. It's on top. It tilts easily, all of that jazz. It's a great printer. I love it. You want to use TPU? Don't. Just don't. Anycubic, I love your printers. I started with you guys with the Kobra 3, and I loved it. Worked well, great quality prints. But I've now tried out both of your new machines. This one, out of commission. It's been out of commission for over a week or two now, because I like the nozzle system is like complicated, and I'm just like, I don't want to touch it. Like, it's like I got TPU stuck in it, and now it won't let filament go in. And then I did that with this printer over here, the S1, and I ended up being able to get it unjammed. And then I put it in, and then it worked. And then I had to take it out because I had it in the dryer, and then I went to go put it back in, and like I feared, TPU got jammed. And I now have it completely disassembled, if you can't notice, and I can't get it unjammed. Can't. Zero zilch. So out of the 2 times that I've used, 3 times, every single time it's gotten jammed to a point, except for the 1 out of 3 times, and it got like jammed real bad. So I mean, I ordered new nozzles that aren't PTFE lined, so I'm gonna go put those in today, and hopefully that makes a difference. But if you want to buy something that's out of the box, set up, start it up, print, never have problems with it, and you're in a wheelchair and you don't have the PSWs that are very technically inclined, and you don't have the time to disassemble a print head, don't go with Kobra, the Anycubic. I'm sorry, Anycubic, but you gotta fix this problem. This is absolutely outrageous. At this year in 2025, I should be able to use TPU no problem. It loads in, I load it out, and I think part of the problem is that when it's unloading, it cuts the filament before it unloads. So you have a piece of TPU lined in the nozzle, like in the PTFE, so when you go to put PLA in, it's filling the hole, so it just bends when you're pushing the PLA on top of the TPU. So I have to take out the nozzle, which taking out the nozzle, unplugging that nozzle I couldn't get it done. I tried for 15 minutes, but with the Bamboo Lab A1, honestly, if you're looking for the beginner printer, this is the one. I'm gonna make a full review on it. Honestly, simplicity. Bamboo Lab is simplicity. I'm not going to say it twice. They are simplicity. I never have problems. And then when I do, you take off this cover, you pop out the nozzle. It's a switch. It's a quick release. Pull it out. Pull the filament that's stuck out. Pop it back in. Put the case back on. Done. This been disassembled for 2 days. That one over there, I'm not even touching the Cobra. I know it's just like, anyways, with that, that's my bet, that's my input. And the other thing is the PETFE insert, the little O-ring that holds it, the pressure fit, that thing is jammed. They do not let you take the PTFE out. So it's like, that's another problem, because I'm like, okay, let me take out the PETFE, see if I can shove the tube clear. I mean the metal pin that came with my K1C, and see if I can clear the nozzle without taking the nozzle out. No, like they won't. The black O-ring that up there that holds the white tubing in, it won't come out. And I've had other people on YouTube explain that that's a problem as well. Anyways, with that, that's my input on the S1. Alright, like I was saying before I Butterfingers quad dropped the camera. Alright, I'm gonna make another video about installing a new nozzle that has a titanium heat break in it into this printer, see if it makes a difference with the TPU issue. So stay tuned to that. I will make it a link up here in one of these corners once I make it, but I'm starting with this video to warn you guys and give you some input. But I also have another video that's going to be, you know, are you a beginner, you want to get into 3D printing to make your life a little bit easier, make wheelchair joysticks and stuff like I do, or cup holders. I know, it's so sweet. Honestly, it is probably my best design. I made that design, that prototype, and I was like, man, you are brilliant, Nick. Anyways, trying to make a difference in everybody's life one day at a time. Quad Squad out.